Hello, Blue Sapphire. Graveyard ka po. How's your health? Hindi ako graveyard shift. Actually, ever since I started freelancing, hindi ako nakatry ng graveyard shift kasi nga yung mga work ko before, I started working as a VA since 2015. So from doing admin stuff or mga regular VA work. When I say regular VA work, yung mga copy pasting, yung mga data entry, yung sending out emails, yung ganun. So, hindi ako nakapag graveyard shift talaga kasi I'm not taking calls or making calls. So, nangyayari, so, to make the long story short, hindi ako nakatry ng graveyard kasi most of my work 2017 up until now is doing Facebook ads lang talaga and some other digital marketing activities. And yun nagustuhan ko talaga speaking freelancer kasi nga you have the option kung ano ba yung i-focus mo. It's either you're gonna focus doon sa calling. If you're good at it, then go for it, no? Pero sa akin kasi, I'm a person na nasa bahay lang, hindi ako, gusto ko nakapag, ano lang ako na pang bahay lang. Then, ang pinaka the best thing is as long as may wifi dyan, as long as may laptop ka, you can work. So, yun yung gustuhan ko sa type of freelancing na job na gusto ko online. And how's my health? I'm regularly sleeping right now, no? So, from 7, 8 hours a day. Yeah, we could, that's another topic. But thank you for asking. Let's go.